Good morning, student. Today we will solve Green's theorem problems. Green's theorem problems. Green's theorem problems. Evaluate. Evaluate using Green's theorem. Evaluate using a Green's theorem. Using a Green's theorem for integral of c xy plus y square dx plus x square dy, where capital C is the closed curve of the region bounded by y is equal to x and y is equal to x square. Y is equal to x square. This question is appeared in December 2016 and also June 2017 in VTU model question, in VTU question paper. Okay, first we have to write the evaluate using the theorem for integral of c xy plus y square dx plus x square dy, where capital C is the closed curve of the region bounded by y is equal to x and y is equal to x square. This question is appeared in December 2016 and also June 2017 in VTU question paper. Okay. First, write down Green's theorem statement. Green's theorem statement. Green's theorem statement. Integral of c m dx plus n dy is equal to double integration of r del n by del x minus del m by del y into dx into dy. Then evaluate means we have to find only LHS or RHS, not necessary to find the LHS and RHS. Okay. Then your point is given, equation is given here, y is equal to x and y is equal to x square. Okay. Then we need to draw the graph here. Okay. Then draw the graph. X-axis y axis. Y is equal to x means y is equal to mx plus c. The straight line is passing through the horizon. Okay, y is equal to x means nothing but y is equal to mx plus c. The straight line is passing through the horizon. Okay, the line will come this type. Okay, this is nothing but y is equal to x. Then y is equal to x square. Okay, y is equal to x square means x square is equal to y means x square is equal to 4ay. The curve will come this type. Okay, then draw the curve, then we will get this region. Then we need to find point of intersection. This point we need to find, and also this point we need to find. Okay, the point of intersection we need to find. Take the equation y is equal to x and y is equal to x square. Okay, then y is equal to x. In place of y, substitute x square. In place of y, substitute x square is equal to x. Then x square minus x is equal to 0. Then take down x common here. X minus 1 is equal to 0. X into x minus 1 is equal to 0. Then write down here x is equal to 0. X minus 1 is equal to 0 means x is equal to 1. Okay, we got 2 points. X is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1. Okay, then take the equation 1 equation y is equal to x. Y is equal to x. If x is equal to 0, y is equal to, in place of x, put it 0 here. Y is also 0 means 0 comma 0 means x comma y. X is also 0, y is also 0. Okay. Then next, if y is equal to, if x is equal to 1 and y is also 1, then x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. Okay, here we need to find point of intersection. Point of intersection. Point of intersection we need to find. Okay. If x is equal to 0, y is also 0. If x is equal to 1, y is also 1. Okay, 0 comma 0 and 1 comma 1 is point of intersection. 0 comma 0 and 1 comma 1 is point of intersection. Point of intersection. Okay, then this point is 0 comma 0 and this point is 1 comma 1. Okay. Then write down RHS part of Green's theorem is equal to, RHS is equal to integral of R del m by del x minus del n by del y into dx into dy, dx into dy. Okay, then write the equation here. What is the given equation here? Integral of c xy plus y square into dx plus x square into dy, x square into dy. Okay, then compare integral of c m of x comma y dx plus n of x comma y dy. Okay, then here m is equal to xy plus, observe here, in place of m what is there here, xy plus y square. We have to identify the m and n value. Write the given equation. Integral of c xy plus y square dx plus x square into dy. Okay, xy plus y square, then n is equal to x square, then n is equal to x square. Okay, then find out here del m by del y, del m by del y, partially differentiating with respect to y. Partially differentiating with respect to y means x is a constant. Write down differentiation of y is 1 plus then differentiation of y square is 2y. Then del m del y is equal to x into 1 is x plus 2y. Okay, understood? Then del n by del x. Del n by del x. Del n by del x partially differentiating with respect to x means 2x. Del n by del x is equal to 2x. Okay, then next we need to find del m by del y minus del n by del x. Okay, del m by del y is what here? Formula is here del n by del x. Okay, your formula is here. Del n by del x minus del m by del y minus del m by del y. Okay, then del m by del y is equal to x plus 2y. Del n by del x is 2x. Okay, then next del n by del x minus del m by del y. Del n by del x is 2x minus now del m by del y is x minus 2y. Okay, plus 2x minus x is x minus 2y minus 2y. Okay, then next r is the reason. R is the region bounded by y is equal to x square and y is equal to x. Y is equal to x square and y is equal to x. Okay, we need to find the reason here. Then observe the diagram. Okay, write down here RHS part. Double integral of R del n by del x minus del m by del y into dx into dy, okay, is equal to, then observe the diagram, straight line y is equal to x, then next x square is equal to y. This is the point of intersection 0, 0. This is 0, 1, 1. The curve will go to this type, means this is nothing but y is equal to x square. Okay, y we have to write it in variable form. Y is equal to x square. Then y it will go to this type. The curve will go to this type, and again it will come this type. Then this line is represent y is equal to x. Means y is equal to x. Then here x is equal to, then x is varies from 0 to x is varies from 0 to 1. X is varies from 0 to 1. The x is varies from 0 to 1. X is equal to 0 to 1. Then del n by del x minus del n by del y, we are writing x minus 2y into dy into dx, dy into dx. Okay, then here integral of x is equal to 0 to 1. Integrating with respect to y, we have to do integration of x dy. X is a constant. Integration of x is here. Integration of x dx is xy. Okay, minus integration of 2y means integration of y is y square by 2, y square by 2. Then y is equal to x square to y is equal to x into dx into dx. Okay, understood. The next step we have to apply upper interval and lower interval. Okay, integral of x is equal to 0 to 1 x. Okay, in place of y we have to substitute upper interval means x. Then again apply the lower interval x into, in place of y substitute here x square. Okay, then close the bracket minus, take down y square, apply the upper interval x square, then apply the lower interval x square into o square. Okay, into dx, then integration of x is equal to 0 to 1. X into x is what? X into x is x square minus x into x square is x to the power of 3. Okay, then minus x square minus x square whole to the power of square is x to the power of 4 into dx, Okay, then integral of x is equal to 0 to 1. Then what will get here? X square minus x square. Observe here, x square minus x square get cancelled. Then minus x to the power of 3 minus into minus plus x to the power of 4 into dx, Okay, then next integration of x is equal to 0 to 1 x to the power of 4 minus x to the power of 3 into dx. Then do the integration of x to the power of 4. Okay, integration of x to the power of n into dx is what? N into x to the power of n plus 1. Okay, integration of x to the power of n is x to the power of n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Then integration of x to the power of 4 is x to the power of 4 plus 1 divided by 4 plus 1 minus integration of x to the power of 3 is x to the power of 3 plus 1 divided by 3 plus 1. Then the interval is here 0 to 1. 0 to 1. Then x to the power of 5 by 5 minus x to the power of 4 by 4. The interval is 0 to 1. Then apply the upper interval and lower interval. 1 by apply, in place of x substitute here 1 by 5. Then in place of 1 by 4, then apply the lower interval 0. Here also 0. Okay. Then 4 minus 5 divided by 5. 4 minus 5 divided by 5 means we are getting minus 1 by 5. We are getting minus 1 by. Okay. Take the LCM here. What we are getting? 4 minus 5 4s are 20. Okay. 4 minus 5 is minus 1 by 10. 1 minus 1 by 20. Okay. RHS is equal to minus 1 by 20. This is the required solution. This is the required solution. Okay, any doubt? Evaluate means we have to find only LHS part or RHS part. Verify means we need to find LHS and also RHS. Okay, understood no? Then next section I will start Stokes theorem. Okay, next session I will start the Stokes theorem problems. Stokes theorem problems. Stokes theorem statement is integral of C f vector dot dr vector is equal to double integral of S nabla cross f vector into n cap ds. Okay. Then in the next session, I will start Stokes theorem problem. Okay. Then thank you. Now I am wind up in the class. Okay, but thank you. Thank you very much.